Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim rewards from the Sanrio Gacha Machine in Heartopia X Sanrio event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to claim the Gacha Machine. You're going to go to this event, Sanrio Characters Gacha Machine. You're going to go to the gacha and you will automatically unlock one gacha machine, and then you can click on the gacha machine to claim your rewards, but you can't use your own gacha machine. Instead, you need to visit the other player's gacha machine to use it. Okay, I'm gonna use the gacha machine from this player, and let's see what we get. Okay, and oh, I got sticker heart note. And yeah, if you want to earn more rewards, visit the other player's gacha machine. And when the other players visit your gacha machine, they can also claim the rewards from your machine. Okay guys, and that's how the gacha machine, Sanrio Gacha Machine works in Heartopia X Sanrio event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!